Hey guys, Delana B here, and today I am back with another video. And in this video I am coming to you guys with this cute little synthetic bob from hairsofly.com. I want to come on here and kind of show you guys how I do my synthetic slay. I don't think this is my best application, but it will work for what the girls need. Okay honey, it is really cute, very affordable, big head friendly. So yeah guys, I'm not gonna ramble too much. If you guys are interested in this Hair So Fly KEVA bob colored unit, then keep on watching. So this is the completed look. I'm not mad at this unit. I'm not mad at it at all. It's nice. It's very, very pretty. It is also big head friendly. The unit is actually a little bit too big for my head. So the specs of it is a Bobbi Boss glueless lace wig, and it is in the style KEVA in the color TT4 BLDBR. I did purchase this hair from hairsofly.com. I don't remember how much it was, but I will link it down in the description box below. Yeah, it is of like a yaki texture. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. So it's like a cute little bob. So I ain't mad at that at all. The unit did come with baby hairs, as you guys saw in the other clip, because I actually had filmed this before for you guys, but I didn't like the footage, so I had to start over, and I'm refilming it for you guys. So you actually will see in the other clip the hair as soon as it comes out of the packaging. So it already had pre-done baby hairs, or whatever you want to call it. So you can use those if you like. I just kind of blended mine in with the rest of the hair using my gold hot tool from Sally's. It's just an electric hot comb, so you can use that. And then I also use the Got to Be Glue to glue it down, and then to tame those those flyaways, I use the Got to Be Glued Freeze Blast. So yeah guys, this is an affordable unit for summertime. If you guys are looking for something cute and colorful, a cute little bob for the summertime, if you guys are interested in this look, it is filmed, so go ahead and check that out. That video is live now. Yeah, I just wanted to come on here and do a quick little review for you guys, or demo, whatever, on how to slay a synthetic wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.